Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AAL Creation by Chandani. Today we are learning the national symbols of India. India's national flower is Indian lotus. The lotus, Nelumbo nucifera Gayton, is the national flower of India. It was adopted as the national flower in 1950. National bird is Indian peacock. A peacock is a male peafowl. The Indian peacock, also known as the common peafowl or blue peafowl, is a peacock species native to the Indian subcontinent. While it originated in the Indian subcontinent, it has since been introduced to many other parts of the world. India's national animal is the Royal Bengal tiger. Panthera tigris is India's national animal. It was adopted as the national animal in 1973 to protect the declining tiger population. National tree is banyan tree, Ficus bengalensis. It belongs to the fig family, spreads across a broad area, takes root, and continues to live and regenerate for thousands of years. National flag is Tiranga. The colors being of India saffron, white and India green, or with the Ashoka Chakra, a 24-spoke wheel, in navy blue at its center. It was adopted in its present form during a meeting of the Constituent Assembly held on 22 July 1947, and it became the official flag of the Union of India on 15 August 1947. National currency is Indian rupee, INR. Popular sport of India is hockey. National fruit is mango. The mango, Mangifera indica, adopted in 1950. India has the richest collection of mango cultivars in the world. Mangoes are rich in vitamins A, C, and D. Mangoes are also a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Mangoes contain antioxidants that help protect cells from damage. National vegetable is pumpkin. National heritage animal is Indian elephant. National aquatic animal is South Asian river dolphin. National reptile is king cobra. National river is Ganga. The Ganga River, also known as the Ganges, is the national river of India. The Indian government declared the Ganga as the national river in 2008 to meet the goals of the Ganga Action Plan. National emblem is State Emblem of India. The emblem is an adaptation of the lion capital of Ashoka, Sarnath, an ancient sculpture dating back to 280 BC during the Maurya Empire. National song is Vande Mataram poem by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. National anthem is Jana Gana Mana by Rabindranath Tagore. National pledge is an oath of allegiance to the country. The national pledge is an oath of allegiance to India, commonly recited in schools and public events, especially on Independence Day and Republic Day. Originally composed in Telugu by Pidimari Venkat Subba Rao in 1962, it was first read in a Vishakhapatnam school in 1963 and later translated into multiple languages. National calendar is Saka calendar. National Calendar of India, also known as the Saka calendar, is the official calendar of India. It was adopted in the year 1957 by the Government of India.